Hello, it's Jason here from Streamline. Today I have with me the Streamline OVA8 Roof scraping kit. This kit comes with 8 different types of blades. Each of the blades are different to suit different types of styles of roof tile. 7 of them are made out of stainless steel. 1 of them is made out of nylon for a softer finish. What I'll do is I'll quickly run through how easy they are to attach to the pole and then how easy it is to actually change the roof scraper blades within the actual connection kit. So check it out. So the beauty of the OVA8 roof scraper is that it will fit any standard water-fed OVA8 pole. So you very simply disconnect the brush from your water-fed pole. Use the button on the front here to disconnect it from the gooseneck. Remove your brush. Select the attachment which comes with the OVA8 roof scraper set. What you need to do is just choose whichever roof scraper blade that you want to insert into the actual attachment. So if we take this one for example, you very simply slide it in behind. You can see there's a particular groove which it slots into. It slots into that groove, and then you very simply do a screw on the front here to secure it. Once you've done that, you literally just push it into the angle adapter, and it will simply click in. You can adjust it to suit the degree or the angle of your roof, and yeah, it's as simple as that. If you want to remove it, very simple to remove. Undo the screw, simply remove it out, select your next scraper blade, insert your next scraper blade, make sure this one again goes into the groove, so it slides into the groove, do the screw up, and away you go.